Understanding In the Ring, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, in the ring. This phrase, like many in English, is loaded with meaning and history, and understanding it can really help in both speaking and understanding the language more naturally. So, let's jump right in. In the ring literally refers to a physical space within a ring or a circle. This is most commonly associated with sports, particularly boxing or wrestling, where competitors face off within a marked ring. This literal use is straightforward. It simply means being physically present inside the ring where the action happens. Moving beyond the literal, in the ring, is often used in a figurative sense. In this context, it means being involved in a competition, dispute, or challenging situation. It implies active participation in a scenario that requires effort, courage, or skill. For example, when someone says they are throwing their hat in the ring, they mean they are entering a competition or a debate. To understand how this idiom fits into everyday language, let's look at a few examples. 1. In a business context, after years of preparation, she's finally stepping in the ring with her innovative startup idea. 2. In politics, the senator has been in the ring for many tough policy debates over the years. 3. In personal challenges, facing his fears, he's now in the ring, ready to tackle any obstacles that come his way. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, being applicable in various contexts from professional to personal life scenarios. The phrase, in the ring, has been popularized in culture through various means. Its origin lies in the sporting world, particularly in boxing, where being in the ring was a sign of readiness to face an opponent. Over time, this concept extended into other areas of life, symbolizing the spirit of competition and challenge. Movies, literature, and media often use this phrase to depict a character's readiness to face challenges, adding to its popularity and understanding in everyday language. And that's a wrap on In the Ring. This phrase is a great example of how English can use a simple concept from a specific area, like sports, and turn it into a metaphor applicable in various aspects of life. Remember, understanding idioms like this can add color and depth to your English communication. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting insights into English idioms. Happy learning, and see you next time!